I like wish I knew how that sounded.
Yo, dude, that was fire. That was absolutely ridiculous. Wow. You sound so good, bro. I know it was an absolute... Yeah. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey. MACK off the top, man, I'm fresh with the heat rocks. Locked in with OZEALOUS, he came through for the beatbox. Yeah, if you didn't know, when he's coming through, dude, this man blowing up on Omegle on YouTube. Yeah, in the same lane, we shattered the mainframe. Way we improvising, it feels like we got the same brain. We about to do this off the top, I hold it truly. Hey, where my dogs at? Shout to Louis. MACK, still the show just like a villain. My flow, 1 in a million. Louis on the side chilling. In the pavilion, I'm rocking. We do this often. These other rappers is falling off just like some leaves in autumn. Hey, MACK, because of the problem, ain't nobody that can solve them. Y'all know we getting better on the daily. We be evolving. Yeah, taking it right to the top of this lyrics. You know that we last through apocalypse when they be coming around at the tip of the mental. You know that MACK out here, he's dropping hits on them. Hey, I'm watering over tracks. Yeah, y'all know that we about to turn it up to the max. I got the lyrics that they envy. Nobody can ban me. You rappers way too trendy. I feel like 2 MCs. Come on, I got that creative mind. I had a track called 2 MCs with State of Mind. Yeah, yo, I'm the rapper they don't likely diss. I did a collabo track with homie Mighty Miss. Now we in it to win it, never been timid. Man, come off the man too quick when it comes to rhymes. Man, I'm way too sick, and you know that I'm about to take you to the tip. Get props to TikTok and rap for hip hop, and y'all know I'm about to hold it down. MACK, I'll be your king in this thing. I shine like bling on the golden crown. Let's go. Hey, off the top, while we spit it. MACK, you know the beatbox, I really had to hit it. We combine with the rhythmic collision. I'm on my mission. It's me and OZEALOUS, we reppin' for the division. I'ma put this down, they love my sound. I represent throughout your town. Underground gets rattled, kill you dead in battle. From LA way up to Seattle, homie, I'm hurting them just like a cattle whenever I'm ripping them off at the top. Hey, MACK is starting it quiet and then we be lifting it up till it's hot. Hey, getting the prize when I'm killing them, y'all know we taking them down to the bottom. And here we MACK whenever I'm in it, you know that I'm killing this shit way too often. I'm about to grab them off the top of the brain. I'm rapping, all you rappers get slain. I'm captain of this shit that I'm on. Told you I'm about to rip the song. Kill them dead, I'm off the head. I'll leave you red whenever I be leaking blood about your veins. Every MACK, I'm off the brain. Y'all know rappers about to get slain like that. Hey, we gon' keep it fat one time. OZEALOUS on the beat, MACK with the rhyme. Yeah, this is the moment where we really about to stop. OZEALOUS all day in the session getting locked. Let's go.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build it raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw, rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, that came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Build It Raw, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video rap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build it raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw, rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A builder raw rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet, we'll make make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Build the raws for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.